Meaning of gratuitous.
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 Gratuitous. Gratuitous means something that is given or done without good reason or justification. It refers to an action, statement, or behavior that is unnecessary, unwarranted, or uncalled for. For example, a gratuitous insult is one that is given with no provocation or reason. Gratuitous violence in movies or TV shows is excessive and serves no purpose in advancing the plot or character development. A gratuitous display of wealth is one that is done purely for show and serves no practical purpose. Overall, gratuitous implies an unnecessary or unjustified action that can often be seen as inappropriate or offensive.